This code is a variation of the code that I wrote for resistors in series, and it calculates the power and it calculates the total current and the total resistance for any number of resistors in the series. So what I did here was like I did a loop, and you can input. It's pretty much like you add the resistors to a list, and then and then it appends the resistor into into a list, and then it takes the sum of the list, because in a circuit that has resistors in series, what you do is you add the value of the resistors in series and you calculate total resistance. So this here takes the list and sum the list of values that you input there. So for example, let's do a simple example. Let's run the program, and let's go with 120 volts. 120 volts. And let's go with 3 resistors. And let's do the value for the first resistor is 50. The value for the second resistor will go with 40. And the value for the third resistor is 30. And it calculates tells you the total resistance. So if you add 40 plus 30, that give you the plus 50, that's 70. So 7 plus 5, that's 120. It calculates the total current. It calculates the total power in watts. So 120, in case we can do it for 4 too. So let's do one easy one in with 4 resistors. So let's say we have, let's say 12 volts in this case. Let's go with 4 resistors. Let's say the value of each of them is 10. And it calculates the total resistance 40, calculate total current in amps 0.3, and the total power is 3.5996. So yeah, this is a program that I wrote, and it didn't take me that long, but it was interesting to learn how to use a list to append values into a list, and then to manipulate the list and do calculations. Quite an interesting simple example, but it's a very cool program and I like it. So now I have my own program that can calculate for any number of resistors in series. I can calculate the total current and the total resistance, and I don't have to do it by hand. So yeah, another application of using Python to solve science problem, which is great. I'm a scientist. I like science, so I enjoy being able to write this code. So let me know what you think.